Jingji no Zhongni, si Hakyang Sawo Jianchu Su. Chuan Tong no Zhongni, si Hamu de wo Jianchu Su. Shikashi, si no Shin ni Halan no Dao, Lai Wogan Ziru.
Kaito Nakamura, age 32, skilled Yakuza member, orphaned at a young age and raised by his uncle Masaru and mentor Hiroshi, known for his unwavering loyalty and exceptional combat skills.
カイト、申し訳ありませんが、緊急事態です。
はい、Masaru Ozi-san. Dushitan Desuka.
Masaru Nakamura, age 52, Kaito's uncle and high-ranking Yakuza leader. A man of tradition and honor, he has guided Kaito since childhood. His wisdom is matched only by his fierce dedication to the family.
ヒロシだ。ニューヨークで表紙を彫った最後のメッセージでは、脅威が高まっていると、我々の内部からかもしれない。ヒロシは家族への脅威を調査していた。
Ozi-san, si habi wo jian tsukaruyo. Donakoto wo shita demo itsuchu fasurabai.
そうはい
New York City, a concrete jungle far from home. But somewhere in this chaos, Hiroshi's trail awaits. Hiroshi's scroll points to St. Michael's Church. Seek the sinner in the house of God, it says. What were you up to, old friend? The scroll warns of a coerced ally, someone forced to betray us. I must tread carefully. In this land of strangers, honor becomes a rare commodity.
You Kaito? Jesus, Mary, and Joseph. I thought you'd be, I don't know, bigger?
Size isn't everything, my friend. Information, however.
Danny Russo, a small-time hustler caught in a web far larger than he ever imagined. Once a simple Brooklyn boy with dreams of making it big, now a reluctant pawn in a dangerous game of cop and criminal. Coerced by corrupt police to infiltrate the Yakuza, Danny walks a razor's edge between two worlds, his loyalty tested with every step.
Right. Listen, we ain't got much time. They got eyes everywhere. Even the saints in these windows give me the creeps now.
Hiroshi, where is he?
I don't know where he is, I swear on my mother's grave. But I got info that might help. There's a dirty cop, big shot, you know, been using us to spy on your people. Left evidence in the confessional. Call it my act of contrition.
Contrition? Interesting choice of words for a man in your position.
Look, I never wanted to be part of this. They got dirt on me, on my family. I had no choice.
Choice is a luxury few can afford in this city, it seems.
You get it. Okay, listen closely. You need to head to the subway next. There's a drop-off point where they collect protection money from us small-timers.
The subway? What exactly am I looking for?
Maintenance room, far end of the platform. Looks normal, but it's a front. They keep records there, stuff that could blow this whole thing wide open. But watch your step, man. These cops, they're like shadows, everywhere and nowhere.
All units, backup needed. 346 Oak Avenue.
Shit, they're here. I got a split. Remember Grand Central, Platform 9, and Kaito, trust no one. This city, it changes people.
Danny, if what you've told me is true, you've taken the first step towards redemption.
Police, freeze now!
Richu Zurugo Deha, Jani no Kienio si yi Wasuru, Koko Dehali Waida. Okay. Come and arrest me.
Call in all units.
Grand Central, the underbelly of New York's beast. Every shadow here has eyes. Every whisper carries weight. The scent of corruption is thick here. Let's see what the rats are up to.
Donovan's cut is here, getting heavier each month. He better be keeping the heat off our backs.
Oh, he earns his keep. Speaking of which, how's our little gold mine at St. Jude's Hospital?
That nurse of yours? She's a real angel of death. Who knew medical records could fill so many graves and pockets?
Keep it down, will ya? Donovan doesn't like his name thrown around like cheap whiskey.
Relax. By the way, any word on that Japanese guy Donovan's got his panties in a twist over?
Hiroshi? That nosy bastard almost got us. He was digging too deep. Almost uncovered what we're doing at St. Jude's Hospital.
Shit, really? What happened?
We tried to bring him in, offered him a cut to look the other way, but the fool refused. Said something about honor and threatened to expose everything.
So, where is he now?
Let's just say Donovan made sure he won't be a problem anymore. But now we've got another Jap sniffing around. That's why Donovan's on edge.
Gentlemen, I hope I'm not interrupting anything delicate.
We've got a ghost. Take him down.
Well, well, looks like Donovan's boogeyman decided to show himself.
Doesn't matter who he is. He's a dead man walking.
Where I come from, shadows bow to the dragon. Looks like it's time for a lesson in respect.
Let's see how tough you are, Yakuza.
Hiroshi, Yuyo, Jun no pankuzu halang tachi no gochi sunetsu nagatsuta. Dorago no ransu ojan serushi da. St. Jude's Hospital, where life and death dance a delicate waltz. Tonight, I'm here for the secrets that slip between the cracks. Excuse me, I'm looking for Angela Reeves.
I'm Angela. Can I help you?
We need to talk. Somewhere private. It's about Donovan.
Who are you? How do you know about Donovan?
Let's just say I'm someone interested in cleaning up this city. I know you've been helping him manipulate crime scene reports.
You don't understand. He threatened my family. I had no choice.
There's always a choice, Angela. But right now, I need to know what you know. What exactly have you been doing for Donovan?
Altering reports mostly. Making evidence disappear. Sometimes worse. There are patients, important ones. I'm forced to adjust their care.
Adjust their care? You mean...
Donovan decides who lives and who doesn't. It's a nightmare.
I need proof, Angela. Anything you have on Donovan's operations.
This has everything. Financial records, altered reports, even plans for future operations. But if Donovan finds out...
He won't. This city needs to know the truth. Are you willing to testify?
Yes, I am. I can't live with this guilt anymore.
Check every room. The intruder is on this floor.
Oh God, they're here. You need to go now.
Come with me. I can protect you.
No, I'll only slow you down. Take the service elevator to the basement. There's an exit through the laundry room. Go, and thank you for giving me a chance to make this right.
Stay safe. This isn't over.
Did you hear? Donovan's hosting that big charity gala tonight.
At the Opera House, right? Talk about living it up while the rest of us suffer.
A charity gala. The perfect cover for Donovan's illicit dealings. Looks like I have an invitation to the opera. Ruyuan Jao Karaibu Ningueamada. Konoji Haitsumojin Kiwoyu Etekureru. Donovuan Zui Hao no Taigashimaru. The New York Opera House, where the elite gargle champagne and swallow lies. Tonight, I'm crashing their masquerade.
Your generosity keeps our streets safe. Every dollar is a bullet in the war on crime.
Detective Michael Donovan, once New York's golden boy in blue, now the puppet master of its underworld. A man who trades in secrets and lives with equal ease. His charity galas are where the city's elite come to wash their conscience and their dirty money.
Watch it, pal! Do you know who I am?
Someone who's had too much of Donovan's Kool-Aid?
You're not one of us. Who the hell are you?
Just another face in the crowd. Enjoy the party.
Detective Donovan, you're our White Knight. Will you grace us at the Aquarius Club tomorrow? I hear it's quite the wet affair.
Wouldn't miss it. Some deals only close in deep water, if you catch my drift.
Lost handsome? The cloakroom's the other way.
Just admiring the architecture. I have an eye for hidden structures.
Elena Vega, Donovan's right hand and the keeper of his darkest secrets. A woman walking a tightrope between ambition and conscience. In the dangerous game she plays, one misstep could be her last.
And I have an eye for gatecrashers. You're good, but not that good. Kaido Nakamura. Relax. If I wanted you dead, you'd be floating in the East River already.
You have me at a disadvantage, miss?
Vega. Elena Vega. Donovan's right hand. And possibly your only chance of leaving here vertical.
Why would you help me?
Let's just say Donovan's latest project crosses a line, even for me.
The Aquarius Club.
You're well informed. It's not just a meeting spot, it's where...
Ladies and gentlemen, we have a rat in our midst. Security, flush it out.
Backstage, there's a service tunnel. Go!
The boss is pissed. Says this guy knows about the Aquarius operation.
The gene therapy thing? Thought that was just a rumor.
Shut it! You want to end up as their next lab rat?
Gene therapy? Looks like Donovan's got bigger fish to fry than just dirty cops. Time to crash his pool party. Aquarius Club, where New York's elites swim with sharks and sometimes become the bait.
Sir, this area is reserved for a private medical conference.
It's okay. He's with me. You shouldn't be here. They'll kill you. And then me.
What's going on, Angela? Last I checked, nurses don't moonlight at exclusive pool parties.
It's not what you think. I'm trying to stop it, but... God, what have I done?
Talk to me. What's Donovan planning?
Kaito, it's worse than you think. The gene therapy can... It's not just creating super soldiers, they're using it to control people. And your mentor, Hiroshi Tanaka, he discovered all of this.
Hiroshi? You know where he is?
Donovan's keeping him at the precinct, using his expertise to perfect the formula. But there's more. Tomorrow night, Apex Tower, they're meeting a journalist who's close to exposing everything.
And let me guess, it's not for an interview.
They're going to silence her and test the new formula. You have to stop them, Kaito. Rooftop, tomorrow night. But be careful, Donovan's paranoid. It could be a trap.
Everything all right here, Doc?
Fine, just discussing treatment options.
I was just leaving. Thank you for the consultation, Dr. Reeves.
Evidence. Save them both, Hiroshi and the journalist. You're their only hope.
Security alert. All exits are now sealed. Please remain calm.
So much for a quiet exit. Time to make some waves. Apex Tower, where the city's highest ambitions and darkest secrets converge.
Kaito? Angela said you'd come.
Lin Chen, I hear you've got something Donovan wants badly enough to kill for.
Evidence of everything. The gene therapy, the corruption. It's all here, including where they're keeping Hiroshi.
You're risking a lot. Why?
Because someone has to stand up to them. Because...
Bravo! Really a touching performance, Ms. Chen.
What is this? I am asking, what is this?
I'm so sorry, Kaito. They have my family. I didn't have a choice.
Choices, Miss Chen. We all make them. Some are just costlier than others.
Oh, Mr. Nakamura, my quarrel is with anyone who stands in the way of progress, including nosy journalists and their families.
Don't do this, Donovan.
Why not? She served her purpose, as have you.
Kaito, the evidence, it's real. You have to stop him.
Ha ha ha. How touching, a last-minute attack of conscience.
No!
Consider that a preview of what happens to those who cross me. This better be important. What do you mean the system's compromised? How? Prepare the chopper, we're leaving. It seems our little game has taken an unexpected turn, Mr. Nakamura. But don't worry, we'll finish this soon enough.
Running away, Donovan? I thought you were smarter than that.
Oh, I'm not running. I'm simply attending to more pressing matters. The future of this city won't build itself after all. Enjoy your little victory while you can, Nakamura. By dawn, this city will bow to a new order. My order. Kill him. Slowly.
You heard the boss. Take him down.
Hiroshi taught me. The strongest sword is forged in the hottest fire. Tonight, this city is the forge, and justice will be my blade. corruption, Donovan's fortress. Tonight, it falls. Mei Lin's sacrifice, Hiroshi's capture. All roads lead here, to justice or vengeance. Hiroshi always said, descend into darkness to find the light. Never thought it'd be so literal.